Alright guys, what is up? It is Zach here from the Storm Garage today with
Danny.
And we are doing another automotive subscription unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing a tuner crate, not to be confused with the last unboxing we did for tuner box. So this is at roughly the same price point, $55 or $60 a month. The thing that is not better about this one is this one takes forever to ship. I ordered this one like a month ago and the shipping is extra. It's like $10 or $15 extra, whereas with the other box it's completely free. Let's go ahead and dig into this thing.
Nice. Okay, I already see a bit of Pac-Man.
Oh.
First impression, I love it, and I haven't even opened the box yet.
And
oh, and a
this is-
turbo.
She
Hey.
even knows what it is.
She knows it's a turbo.
Piping material. So,
Ooh, I already
man.
am happy. I just gotta...
do you even know what that is?
I don't. It's cute though.
We got a model Datsun 510 and it actually looks pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie.
Then we got... Oh, here.
We got
We another
Obey.
air freshener with a nice
Ooh.
little koi fish on there.
Let's try this air freshener. See how this one smells. It smells like koi fish. It smells like
koi fish.
smells like Japan.
Oh, that's like sea salts and teak
Oh,
wood.
the theme here, forgot to even say,
Yeah,
it's
the theme. It's
the
a
Chinese New
Chinese
Year.
New Year theme.
So it's a Chinese New Year
Hence
theme.
the beautiful koi fish.
The next thing we have here is these Boost socks. I think it says Boost Addict. You want to put your hand in it?
You kind of go like this, and you got a nice little sock that says Boost on it.
The next one, oh, and this one, there's also a card, just like tuner box. There's a Beamer. I'm not 100% sure. It might be. 0 to 60 in 7.1 seconds. Yikes. Quarter mile in 16.6 seconds. My Miata can do that. And then quarter mile speed at 87 miles per hour. Pretty sure that's like darn near close what the Miata does. So the next thing is the Disobey shaker bottle. Ooh.
That'll be nice,
my
actually. I like that a lot.
Use this for when I go to the gym and work out. Ugh.
Got a little like jewelry box looking thing
Little jewelry box looking
with
thing.
a keychain.
Oh, heck yeah. That is what they call a, I can't say what a lot of people call it, but it's an intake. This is an intake keychain that goes on your keys. That's actually pretty cool.
Wait, can I show you
call-
what I thought it was? The leg lamp from A Christmas Story.
The leg lamp from A Christmas Story. Looks like we have a t-shirt here in like a beef packaging that says USDA choice, disobey, modify everything, fresh meat, premium cut, nutrition facts, 3 grams of protein up in this t-shirt.
Ooh, and it's in a little tray like you're eating
Oh.
sushi.
This t-shirt is nowhere near the quality
Really?
of tuner box. Wow, this
me
is
see.
really bad.
That's the
Dude,
graphic.
that's just gonna crack after one wash. Don't get me wrong, it looks dope.
Yeah.
It looks super dope.
I'm straight up gonna wear that, yeah. We're saying that now, we don't actually know how it's gonna act in the
Yeah,
wash.
maybe the cracks or maybe the
Maybe
really
it won't.
hardness helps it. So
Little
we got
stickery thing.
little stickers, disobey stickers,
Disobey
disobey,
sticker.
modify everything. These will probably go on Danny's Miata when she gets one. Oh, they're invisible.
They're pretty.
All right, so I can show you like this.
Like that at an angle. 'Cause
But not
our
like
green
that
screen
because
is like, nah.
yeah. So yeah, that's what they look like. Oh man.
It's a pretty girl in front of a
Heck
car.
yeah, it is. In front of a car
Baby.
poster. I'm not sure. I don't know what that is. If that's a McLaren or a Ferrari. So that's it for tuner crate. The first thing I could say off is there's a lot of other cool little things in here. Obviously, like the model car and
The keychain.
the keychain, that was pretty cool, and the little shaker bottle, that's pretty nifty as
Yeah.
well. So there's other little more trinkets in here compared to our last compare. The only thing we have to compare it to is tuner box, because that's the only other automotive subscription box either one of us has ever seen. I'd like to get a petrol box in here eventually and check that out and see what's all in there. If you like the tuner crate, I might do it again. I'm not sure. That's a decent bit of money for
Yeah.
tuner crates. If you guys still want to see more unboxing videos, make sure to let us know in the comments down below, and a like, comment, subscribe, and hit the freaking bell button. Dang it,
Ring, ring,
I have to keep
ring.
sending people stuff because they don't know new videos are
Ring
coming out.
the bell.
And
It's Storm Garage. They want you to ring the bell.
a ding ding ding. So make sure you hit that bell and hit it to all so that you get notified when I upload. I don't even upload that much, so it's like not gonna annoy you. Just hit the bell, you know.
Get that good content.
Sometimes I cry and my Miata cries when you don't hit the bell. A little sadness.
Sad pop-ups.
Until next time, guys. Peace out.